जा सकते। अब वैक्सीन आ गई है।
नहीं मुझे जाना है।
बात तो सुनो, वैक्सीन आ गई, थोड़े दिन में सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा, तब हम चलेंगे।
नहीं अभी
ऐसे जिद नहीं करते।
नहीं।
चलो एक मैजिक दिखाऊं। आप आईज क्लोज करो पहले ऐसे। जब कुछ आवाजें आए ना आपको, तब आप क्या करना, अपनी आईज ओपन करना।
ओके।
चीटिंग नहीं, नो चीटिंग। पिंकी प्रॉमिस।
क्या हुआ? PlayStation।
खेलना है आपको भी?
मुझे भी।
आप ये देखो, यहाँ देखो, ये कोरोना वायरस है ना, ये वैक्सीन आ गई। देखो ये हमारी वैक्सीन वाला रॉकेट जो है इसको मारेगा भी। रुको रुको रुको, वैक्सीन वाला रॉकेट।
नीचे। अरे ऊपर बस।
अरे वैक्सीन आ गया। अरे यार मम्मा का दिशा मर गया। इससे ऊपर करो, अब मारो बगल। यस, वेरी गुड। और करो। मर गया। अरे वेरी गुड। क्यों? अब इससे नीचे करो, यहाँ से नीचे करो। एक और क्लिक करो हल्का सा, बस मारो गन से, वैक्सीन से मारो। और ऊपर करो। वेरी गुड यार, आपको तो बहुत अच्छा गेम खेलते हो। आप तो मजे भी अच्छा खेलते हो। वेरी गुड। करो, ऐसे ही करो। अब देखो, एक बात सुनो, ये यहाँ पे भी खेल रहा हो। आप चाहो तो इसी गेम को हम अपने स्मार्ट टीवी में भी चला सकते हैं।
मुझे इस पे खेलना है। हम गेम कहाँ चलाएं?
ये एक अमेजिंग ऐप है। अगेन किसने बनाया है? जल्दी गैस करो। ये वाला ऐप भी किसी ने बनाया है? बाबू गौरव सर ने एक और ऐप बनाया है। और अब 1 Feb से आप उनकी क्लास ज्वाइन करने वाले हो ना, तो अब आप भी ऐसे ऐप बनाना सीख सकते हो। और ये ऐप जो उन्होंने बनाया है वो Applab में बनाया है। तो आप भी मुझे फिर ऐसे नए गेम बना के दिखाना उसके अंदर। ओके,
ठीक है।
गिव मी अ 5। थैंक यू।
Okay, so now we are going to test this PlayStation on 3 different mobiles. So these two are Androids and this one is an iOS mobile. And this is the one which I am going to use for the shooting purpose. Fine, so what I have to do, I need to hit this rocket. That's how, see, in real time I'm able to see the coronavirus on both these devices. Now a random location has been assigned to this coronavirus on this device, and a random location has been assigned to this one also on this second device. Now let's move this downwards. So with the help of this sliding feature we can do it. Let's hit a bullet. So as you can see, I'm able to see the bullet on both the screens. Okay, so I'm done with killing this one. Let's now bring this rocket up and okay, so I'm done with killing this one. Let's hit this bullet. Okay, great shot. So that's how we can play this beautiful game on more than 3, 4 or 5 devices. Fine. And it's just like a PlayStation. And we don't have to do anything on these two mobile devices. The shots are going to appear automatically on these two devices, the way they are appearing right now. The technique, the tricks which I have made use of for making this beautiful PlayStation on co.org using the basic features of Applab. That's what I have explained in the later part of this video. So please don't skip any part. Do watch this video till the end if you want to know the tricks I have made use of for making this PlayStation game on co.org platform. So that's how we can play it. Now let's test this beautiful PlayStation on 2 different browsers. Now we are going to test this PlayStation on two different browsers. So you can assume it as if this is the first device and this one is the second device. Okay, now how can we play this game? We just have to, the user just have to hit this rocket. Automatically he'll get to see something like this happening on this second device. So whatever shots you're seeing on the second device, they are coming from this first device. Fine. How can the user move this rocket downwards? He just have to hit this invisible label box which I've placed over here, which is acting as a button. Okay, and it is going to help the user in moving this rocket down. That's how you guys can make use of this down label box, and that's how you can make use of that up label box I've defined over here at this point for moving this rocket in upward direction. Okay, that's how you can play this beautiful game I have developed on code.org in Applab using the basic features of Applab. So what is happening over here? The shots which are firing from this first device, the location of those shots are getting saved in a table-like structure on the data browser connected to this app, or you can say this play engine. Okay, and then this with the same location, the position of the shot which I have defined for this second screen is getting set, and then we are able to see this second shot coming out from this end of the second device. Okay, so that's how this PlayStation kind of thing have been developed using the client server based model. Right, now if suppose you want to play it on more than two devices, how can you do that? Let's open one more browser, and here I'm going to paste the link of this beautiful PlayStation. Let's see what is going to happen. So obviously we are going to come across the first screen where we'll get to see this rocket with this men flying in the air, and let's hit this rocket and see what are we going to get. So as you can see, now a coronavirus is visible to us on this third browser also, and here also there is a coronavirus. Can we kill both of them in one shot? Yes, we can. See, that's how you can kill both of them in one shot. But now, because the location of this first coronavirus differs from that of this second coronavirus, so now it will not be possible for you guys to kill them both in one single shot. Fine. So you have to set the position of this rocket in such a way that you can kill these coronavirus. So that's how you can play this beautiful PlayStation kind of game. Hope you guys are enjoying it a lot, and it is very easy to develop. You know, the thing which you should know about is that how to make use of timed loop. That's what you should know about. Let's now go on that coding part and check out the code which I have made use of for making this beautiful animated shooting game, or you can say PlayStation kind of thing. Okay, I'm closing all these browsers for now. Let's go on that coding part. So as you can see right on the top, I have defined all the variables I require for this beautiful game. So this Q, I have initialized it with 0. This variable, these two variables, I have initialized them with the X position and Y position of this image. The idea of this image button is men. And then comes the turn of these two variables C and D, which I am going to make use of for making this shot moving along this x-axis. So it is because of this timed loop which I have defined inside the uneven block, which I have defined on this platform for this up direction, for this up named label box I have placed over here on this mobile simulator. Similarly, there is one more label box which I have placed over here, the idea of which is down, and when the user will hit this down label box, this is the code which is going to get executed. Let me just show the code which is going to get executed automatically when the user will hit this up label box. So automatically whatever records are going to get saved in this short named table, they are going to get deleted, and besides this timed loop will get executed, is going to get executed. Now with the help of this timed loop, what is happening? We are able to see this man moving in upward direction. Okay, if you'll hit this up direction label box, you will be able to see it moving upwards, and if you will hit this down label box, you will be able to see it moving downwards. So that's how, with the help of this time loop, I'm controlling the movement of this rocket. Similarly, I have defined the same code for this down button also. Fine. And this is the code which is going to get executed when the user will hit this image button. So the value of Q is going to get incremented by 1. And this is a simple trick which I have made use of for making this a real time application. So it's based on client server model. Hope you guys are aware about this thing, because we aware about this client server model. We have learned about this model in various lectures, in many lectures which I have shooted and uploaded earlier on my YouTube channel. Fine, so a table with name shot is going to get created where the Y position of the shot, which you will be able to see when you hit this rocket, will get saved. Fine, and this is the position which I am using here in this code, which is going to produce a shot on this screen 2 for killing this coronavirus. So the Y position of the shot, which you'll get to see over here on this screen 2, will be set with the help of the Y position, which is going to get saved in this shot named table, which will get created when the user will hit this rocket named this men named image button. Fine, again I have made use of this time loop over here so as to make this shot moving along the x-axis. Find the value here of this x position of this shot will continuously increment. Okay, and finally when the value will cross this limit 320, automatically the loop is going to stop. So that's how I have defined the time loop for controlling the movement of this shot which you are seeing over here. Fine, and then this code, whatever I have defined over here, it is going to get executed automatically, and we'll get to see a shot on the second screen. Okay, and this is a timed loop which I have defined over here inside this code, inside this block. So this time loop is going to control the position of the shot, which we'll get to see on the second user's screen or the third user's screen. And besides, if the position of that shot matches with the position of this coronavirus, then what will happen? The score is going to get incremented by 1, and the position of this coronavirus is going to get changed. Okay, so randomly it will be assigned a random position on this mobile simulator, and in place of this living coronavirus, we'll be able to see this dead coronavirus. So that's how I have coded this beautiful PlayStation kind of game on this code.org platform using the basic features of Applab. Hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and also do share the link of this video in your group so that more and more students can come and join this channel and learn to code free of cost. Thank you very much. God bless you, and